What's up you guys, it's Vincanity, and today we're going to be learning a drill that really helped me kind of slow down my footwork and slow down my movements and really be able to connect to the music in a much stronger way. When I was younger, it was just always my mentality to try to go fast. I came from a martial arts background, and you know, it was always like your faster kicks are better. So in my head, like faster footwork is better, faster top rocks, faster, you know, power moves, everything I wanted to do fast. But eventually, to slow it down, I actually had to practice going slow. So today's drill is doing slow motion footwork. Alright you guys, so the first thing we gotta learn is actually how to count our music slowly, okay? Let me play this really quick. I'm gonna show you guys 3 different speeds. The first one is, of course, normal speed. Normal speed goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half speed goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? The next one we're gonna call quarter speed. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If that sounds too crazy for you, you could also just dance to really slow music. But the reason I like doing to this, because typically you're gonna dance to faster music and it just helps you, process and understand it better. So to make things really easy, we're gonna start off with just doing CCs and really cleaning it up and making it look super nice and smooth. Okay, first time we're gonna try it, we're just gonna go really slow, and we're just gonna try to make it really smooth, right, from one thing to the next. So on 1 it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Versus going 1, like making it more sharp at each time. Okay, so let's try it. Ready? You can follow along with me, or you can just freestyle your CCs on your own. Okay, let's try it. Ready? Here we go. So it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this is a really good way to kind of just figure out your flow from one to the next, right? The second one, we're actually gonna think as each step, each number, as a freeze. So on 1, we would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Almost like we're posing, we're moving and we're posing at each step of the way. Okay, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once we start getting comfortable with that one step, whether it's CCs or whatever you're practicing, let's actually add another one. So let's do CCs and let's do hooks. Okay? First, let's do slow motion flowing. Okay, so here we go. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And with the freezes, same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at this point, I think you guys are ready to actually just do whatever you want. So at this next point, what you guys are gonna do is just freestyle, right? Do whatever you want, but still in this slow fashion. First one, just flowing, and second one, doing freezes, right? Really capturing each moment, right? A long time ago, Po1 actually told me this. He said, like, when you're dancing and someone, a photographer is like snapping pictures of you, every single photo should be clean, right? And you'll see that with b-boys that are really clean. Every single photo is nice, right? But if you're giving the photographer a hard time, every photo is kind of sloppy and you got like 1 or 2 that can make it, right? Then you gotta think back and we gotta clean up this stuff. So let's actually try it this time. Again, freestyling, making every single motion, really trying to fine-tuning it to make it look really nice, all right? Just flowing first, and then freezes. Let's go. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the freezes, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and there you guys have it, practicing slow motion footwork, right? It doesn't have to be anything spectacular. It's just to teach you to stay on beat with the music, right? And the more you practice like this, slow, the better you're gonna be in tune with it when you go faster, right? Again, think of it as that repetition, right? Practicing your windmill, practicing your coffee grinder slow, right? And eventually you go fast. A lot of people just get to the music and they go fast right away, right? But you gotta slow it down. You gotta fine tune it. You gotta find that beat and just be precise with it. Again, this will help you guys with your overall dancing, your overall musicality, and just make you guys look a lot cleaner. Just want to give a big shout out to Arnicare by Boron. I pretty much use this stuff every single day for my neck, shoulder, back, even knee pains. Especially on days that I'm training, I have this stuff in my bag ready to go. If you guys are interested in learning more about this product, make sure you guys click the link below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.